Venom episode 1, and we are entering the Sinnoh regions, baby. Sinnoh confirmed. And let's press the start button. And hello there, it's so very nice to meet you. Welcome to the world of Pokemon. Wow. And my name is Robo. However, everyone just calls me the Pokemon Professor. Before I go any further, is this your first adventure? If you need advice, I'm certainly capable of giving it. No info needed. This world is widely inhabited by creatures known as Pokemon. Here, I have Pokeball. Touch the button on the middle of this Pokeball if you would please. Let's press it. And there is a Pokemon. We humans live alongside Pokemon as friends. At times we play together and at other times we work together. Some people use their Pokemon to battle and develop closer bonds with them. What do? I conduct research so that we may learn more about Pokemon. Now, why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself? And are you a boy or a girl or a gay? Of course I am a gay. And alright. So you are a gay? Yes. Tell me, what is your name? And my name is... No. L. There is you. C. A. Yes. Lucas. It's Lucas. Your name is Lucas. Yes. Okay, so you are Lucas. A fine name that is. Now this boy here, I believe he is your friend. What might his name be? His name is Barry. Yes. Alright, Lucas, the time has come. And I'm gonna... And let's go. And quick. Okay, Pokemon are your best. Always, I hope you will understand the meaning of these words. This comment was left by Professor Ron, who started the return to Sinnoh region from the Kanto region. Okay, that's it. Let's press start. Here are the options. Fast, battle Sinnoh, battle mode set, and let's choose number 5. Yes, and let me save the game. And saving a lot of data, I'll save the game. Okay guys, I saved the game. And let's talk to Barry. There you are. Hi Lucas, did you just see the TV? Sure you did. Professor Ron, that's really important guy who studies Pokemon, right? That means he must have lots of Pokemon. So if we ask him, I bet he would give us some Pokemon. Oh, that's a new PC? Huh? Where was I? Alright, we are going to see Professor Ron and get some Pokemon. I'll be waiting outside. Okay, Lucas, if you're late, I'm gonna find you 10 million. Okay, I know that. Lucas, be real relieved. I don't know what is the reason point. He's a fast one. No, yes, Lucas, do not get into telegrams. Okay, Mom, I know. But the question I'm gonna ask you is, where is my dad? Third. What was that about? Oh, hey, Lucas. Hey, I'm going to see Professor Ron. You should come. Flip run. Oh, geez, forgot something. Okay. So, guys, I'm gonna also add question of the day. And who is your favorite rival in the Pokemon games? I'd better take my bag and journal too. Oh, hey, Lucas, I'll be waiting on the road. It's a 10 million fine if you are late. Okay. My favorite rival is Silver and my brother's favorite rival is... Bro, who is your favorite rival? My brother's favorite rival is Hop. Too slow. Alright, let's get moving to Professor Ron's lab. What? Not going to tell us? No, it's no problem. It doesn't matter that we don't have any Pokemon. Trust me on this. I got. Now listen, you know how wild Pokemon jump out of when they go into tall grass. So what you do is, you scoot over to the next patch of grass. Before any next patch of grass, wild Pokemon can appear. If we just keep dashing, we can get into Sangentum without running into wild Pokemon. Just save the game and reset if you get a wild encounter. Okay, stick with me. Okay, here it goes. On your marks, hold it. You two don't seem to have any Pokemon between you. Then what is the meaning of going into the tall grass? Hey Lucas, this old guy it's Professor Owen, isn't it? What are you doing? They tried to go into the tall grass because they wanted Pokemon. What to do? The world would surely change if they were to meet Pokemon. Is it right for me to put them on the path? You too, you truly love Pokemon, do you? Yes. Me too. Me too. I love Pokemon too. I will ask you once again. You too truly love Pokemon? What? You can ask 100 times. The answer will never change. We'll both answer 100 times we love Pokemon. Right, Lucas? No. That's just getting good. What? You can ask 100 times. You can have this. Okay? Yes. A pair of reckless kids who foolishly try to enter tall grass. Without Pokemon of their own, it worries me what people like that would do with two Pokemon. Well, they forgot about me, but give me a Pokemon try, my friend. It was me who tried to go into the tall grass and Professor, how big of you? Very well, then I will entrust you with Pokemon. I apologize for putting you through the exercise. However, you must promise me that you will never recklessly undergird yourselves again. No then. Nowhere. And there's a Professor Rubin, you left your breakfast up late. Oh, is there something wrong here? Oh, there it is. Don't know what. What I was about to do was to... Okay, he's gonna give us Pokemon. And it's taking a lot of time, so I'm gonna skip out on some of the day. Go on, open the and choose Pokemon. Really, Professor Rowan? I can't believe it. I'm so happy that I can't keep a start first. Hey Lucas, you can choose first. And let me save the game. I'll see you guys when I save the game. Okay guys, I saved the game and let's check on this Pokemon. Let's see. The tiny Pokemon Turtwig, the chimp Pokemon Chimchar, and the penguin Pokemon Piplup. As by the thumbnail you can see which starter I'm gonna pick. That is being Chimchar, my favorite Sinnoh starter. Then I choose Piplup. I'm picking this Piplup very well, both of okay. In that regard, they are much like you, as fellow newcomers to the world. Okay, Rowan. And they'll go, I'm sorry, please let me pass. And Barry, how do you like that? Professor Rowan really nice. On TV, he seems so stern and scary. Hey, Lucas, we both got Pokemon. There's only one thing to do, right? Are you up for this? Yes. I always wanted to say this. This time has finally come. Lucas, I'll change you to a battle. Hiruga says, your challenge with Pokemon trainer Barry. And he's gonna open up with his Piplup. I'm gonna open up with her Chimchar and let's go for... He's going for Growl to lower our attack. He'll always go for Growl by the air. What in the that one didn't hurt you? And he'll always go for Growl. So this battle gonna take so many ages. After we got to -6, he'll start attacking. And it's going for the moose now. Let's go for Leer. Below this defense. Let's go for Scratch. It's going for Growls. Man, please get a crit. No way, we can kill. Okay. Pound. Scratch. Pound. No, I wanna win this battle. I think we lose this battle, guys. Stupid, no! We lost this battle. And I wish... I won! But the battle, it would go either way. It was that close. I can tell you one thing. Battling is awesomely funny. Okay, let's go home. I'm beat after that battle. My Pokemon needs rest to see ya, Lucas. Yeah, phew, Barry. What's that matter, dear? Wow, that's happened to you. I want to be very lucky to have Pokemon invasion if you didn't. It would like to have think what the wild Pokemon might have done to you. Lucas, go see Professor Rowan and thank him properly for your Pokemon. Okay, Mom, thanks. We got you a pair of running shoes. And I know. And that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. Peace out.